Everyone shut up. I'm gonna make an intro. Hey guys, welcome. Shut up! Hey guys, welcome to my first ever video for the server. I'm Calypso. We got Big Slime up in here and Telemachus chilling. Yeah. Say hi, guys.
Hello.
Hi. Hola.
Greetings.
Oh yeah.
Bonjour.
Can y'all see? Am I not echoing?
Oh.
We had some technical difficulties, so I had to fucking restart. Anyways. Contemplate. Not contemplate, because that's what I said the first time.
You dyslexic fuck.
Bro, you literally said that there can't be two dyslexic people. I need to know more. Observe. Observe.
Observe.
Observe. A single, a strange vision lacking description. Observe. I'm just gonna keep observing. Frick contemplates.
It's against the void.
That's against the void. Oh! The world turns for me.
Oh my god, it's Ottoman.
There you go. A path. A destination.
Huh?
Path. Oh, we walking.
You do be walking with
Wow,
Dibble.
really? I thought we were flying.
Yeah, I'm flying. Wait, what happened? Wait, is that my...
Bro got blue screen of death.
Oh no, wait, that's not
That's
mine.
crazy.
That's part of the game. That's part of the game.
I genuinely thought that was, bro.
Everything is fine.
That would have been so funny.
It would be hilarious.
You guys wouldn't even be on the call if that was real. It's free roam.
Yeah,
First gaming vid and your computer just fucking crashes loading up some shitty fan.
Wait, I can't get up. Oh, I got up.
Bro, you're good. You're done for.
You're done for.
If you make one wrong move, then you're done for.
I hope you open that door and you
swear to
fucking
Jesus.
explode.
Why am I so tall? This is like unrealistic game height. Like
Bird's like 6'5".
no, literally. Okay.
Non-canon.
Can I look at the bottom of the drawer? No, I can't. Okay.
No,
Can I look out the
you're
window?
too tall for that. You're too tall for that.
Oh. Ew, look at his hand.
What?
Wobble, baby, wobble.
Cross the ass, man.
Okay, there ain't nothing in there. There ain't nothing in there. And there is nothing in there. What am I
Cross the
doing?
ass, man.
What am I looking for?
A bomb.
Bro, it's the PC that I have on my floor right now. This is literally my
Boy.
setup.
Your setup is in a creepy room.
Yes.
Why can't I use my flashlight? Hello?
Maybe because you don't have it anymore. Ever think of that one?
No, I didn't. Sorry. Okay. The truth about religion. That's crazy.
What?
Can I grab it? I can't.
We have time to talk about
Boy,
our Lord and
getting
Savior
tooty
Jesus
into this one.
Christ.
Time to die. Okay. These books are actually insane. Who's reading this? Bro, I have a
Me.
dog.
Dog.
Bootleg expo markers?
Look at-
Clothes that
These
are...
are the stadium ass markers that were dry as hell.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I'm not liking all these sounds that I'm hearing.
Then stop hearing them.
I'm gonna hurt
Literally, close your ears. Like what?
Just close
Oh,
your ears.
why did he grab it so
Drop it.
aggressively?
Why did he take it like that?
He was like, yoink! What is this?
What did you even grab? Why is he doing
Why
this
did
so
I take...
aggressive?
Wait. Main. Flashlight.
Why did you blow up?
Camera,
Why did you
1,
blow
2,
up?
3. Can I... What am I supposed to do here?
Freaking no! I've never played this game.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh yeah.
okay.
Oh, there we go.
Can I get my... Oh,
Okay, there. Why are you close so aggressively? Like,
main light.
wait, try the flashlight now.
It's not working.
Imagine getting killed like on your first night.
Okay. What the heck?
Oh yeah,
I'm
look at
literally
the
so
angle.
scared.
Hey!
Who is that?
That's Freddy.
Who is that?
That's Freddy, I think.
Bro. Bro.
Thing.
Freddy's outside. Someone's outside.
Then let him in.
Flash the wrong side. He was on this side? Oh my god.
Blood be flashing.
Ew. Get away from me. What was that? What am I looking for?
You're looking for something that isn't supposed to be there.
Okay, thank you for that.
You're
Oh,
welcome.
that was not good. I think he's over here. I didn't see him on any of the other cameras.
Oh, it's on the in the front door.
Uh-oh.
Okay. What the flip? Okay.
What the flip what?
Oh my god.
What the fuck? How am I supposed to dodge that? They give me no time.
Was Bro playing a game right now? It's not working.
Bro,
I'm playing Inspiration right now.
How am I I'm dead. I'm so dead. How do you play this game?
This is what you get for downloading the Joy of Creation.
Yeah, there's just nothing wrong and you're just in a really weird house.
Why is everything paused?
What the fuck?
I'm so scared. He's gonna come kill me. Creator. I have constructed this scenario just for you. I believe you call this a game.
You're going at like 1 FPS, my guy.
If you miss, it will flee. The frick does that mean? I'll be watching.
It means don't miss.
That's it.
That's it. This guy low-key kind of sounds... Oh, okay. Well, the lights just went out. Oh, oh!
What just happened? I was just...
This guy sounds attractive.
What the hell?
Okay, can we...
Whoop. That's it, folks.
Okay. Oh, these are right outside of the door.
Hello, guys.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's ready.
Oh my god, it's ready. Okay, so he's over here. Are you serious?
Wake up!
Kakaboom. Where the frick is he at?
He's
Show
just trying to
yourself.
offer you a third. He's just trying to offer you a third subscription.
No, 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 no.
Church subscription? What the fuck is a church subscription, dog?
I don't know.
Okay,
You
wait.
pay to go to church,
He's
Chad?
on this side.
Very church until you pay.
It's a monthly thing.
It's a monthly
You gotta
pay.
get church premium, Chad, trust.
Bro,
a
I
good
literally just
investment.
got jump scared and y'all are talking about some church.
This
You can
video is
get
not
baptized
sponsored by the church.
You can only get
This video is
baptized
not
with
sponsored, by the
premium.
way.
Yeah, not sponsored. What? Who was
Not
that?
sponsored. Wish we were.
I wish we were.
Bro, where am
The
I?
fuck
I
was
do.
that?
I don't know about you, but hell yeah, just killed a fucking pig. Let's go.
Are you playing like Minecraft or something?
Are you
right
playing
now?
Minecraft? What?
No, I'm playing Prince of Persia. I just annihilated a giant pig.
Oh, funsy.
Took me like 5
Please.
tries.
Where is he at? Where is he at? Oh no,
Bro,
no,
what
no,
is
no.
happening?
Run! Run, 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 run. Oh, and I'm dead.
Pop your ass into the left.
Oh, there goes that. Goodbye. I'm dead.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, dead.
What the hell?
That was kind of
It's a fucking
chat.
bear.
Man, this game's strange.
It's just bootleg fucking joy of creation.
After this, I'm
Oh
about
no,
to...
not that. I'm talking about this.
Oh. What the fuck is the bride
If
though?
you miss, it will
Oh.
flee. Okay, I get that, but like, how am I supposed to know when the power's about to run out? I will be watching over you. Good luck. Bro, what is going on? I'm actually about to have a seizure. Okay, you know what? Lock in, chat. Where is he at? Okay. So the fuses are in
Let's
the
do that.
thing. We gotta find the fuses. And he's hiding somewhere. I see you. Come out, wherever you are.
No. You want him to come out?
Yeah, I want him to come.
I'm
Okay.
gay.
Okay, good for you. Where are you hiding, little bear? Where are
In
you
the
at?
closet.
Rose
Bold of you to call him little.
Where are
He's
you?
literally like a whole 2 feet taller than you.
Okay,
Yeah,
where
he
the
ain't
frick
little,
is this
gang.
bear at?
You're like comically tall, and he fucking dwarfed you, dog. I don't think he's a little bear.
Oh, okay.
That's not a little bear, bro.
Okay, so wait.
That's a big boy.
He's out here.
I haven't even
He's on
seen the
this
actual
side.
animatronics yet. All I've been seeing is shitty office gameplay.
Okay. Okay.
He's somewhere.
Where'd he go?
Out of all the places he could be, he's in one of them.
Hold up. Okay. You know what? That's great news. That he's in one of the places that he could possibly be in. Please come back.
Yep. Out of all the places that they could have possibly put him in, he's definitely in one.
He's definitely one of them, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not happening. I'm about to piss my pants, and you guys are telling me he's in one of the 3 locations where he could possibly be at. I don't know where he is. I don't know.
But you know what someone really needs to do?
What?
I think he just wants some Mountain Dew.
I'm gonna give him some Mountain Dew.
Not what I said.
Some Mountain Dew in this.
Okay.
Okay. There he is. There he is.
Sled.
So wait, if he's on this side, he's gotta be on this side.
You know what would be really fun if an FNAF fight game where you can actually shoot the animatronics?
Oh yeah, that would be legit the best FNAF game ever.
You know what game I think would be really funny?
No one asked.
What?
A FNAF game where they market it as a FNAF game, but in reality it's just a regular like office simulator, and there's no animatronics at all.
Oh, so
There's no jump scares either. You just sit at a desk.
Oh, so they just
like-
make you
So you
paranoid that
gaslight-
there's
Yeah, they literally just do like a regular night guard.
They just satellite
Make
you and
you-
make you paranoid, but there's no animatronics or anything.
Yeah, absolutely nothing's wrong. It's a completely normal job.
It's a completely normal job, but they just make you paranoid for no reason.
Yeah, but yes.
And that
Someone
would actually
army.
be really funny to play. Like, for
Someone
just get
army.
someone that has no idea of what FNAF is, and just tell them, try not to die, and just give them that game.
Yeah, just
And
give them
watch
like a
them go
regular.
nuts.
Give him job simulator.
Give them a job simulator and watch them go nuts trying to figure out what is wrong.
Literally.
Okay. Well, I'm dead. For like the 50th time today. Oh, there he is. Get out! Okay, ready? He's on this side. Flash. Why does he do that?
Flash bear?
Just flashed a bear?
What? What kind of flashing are we talking?
I found a fuse. Get up, get up.
What kind of flashing are we talking about, man?
With the flashlight. Okay, wait. Here. You have to trade the cameras too? That's insane. That's like genuinely preposterous.
Quite dubious, as a matter of fact.
Yeah. Can I like hold one? Like, get. Oh my god. Okay, we need to fix
That's
the
a
lights.
5. That's a 5 out of 10 bird.
Yeah.
Shut up.
This one, because I'm scared. Okay, let's go. Why are there pictures appearing randomly? Okay, don't kill me.
Because they're going insane.
Don't kill me. Okay, he's over here. And flash! Get it! Okay, back up. I just gotta fix stuff while he's doing his thing. But that means I gotta find them. That sucks. Wait, get that, get that, get that. Call me a mechanic, bro. The way I be.
You are not.
I don't wanna.
I don't want to talk
How do you
to
charge the
mechanics.
flashlight?
Bruh.
Batteries.
It's
I
not
think you
charging.
had to.
It's not charging.
You
Bruh.
need to replace the other thing.
Batteries.
Those circular sexy batteries.
It's okay, chat.
Love AA batteries.
Oh my god!
38 G-force.
What the heck? What the heck? Oh, I have to.
This sandwich looks bussing, man.
Where is he at? Okay, that's not good. One of my cameras is not working. And Freddy is not in either of these cameras, so let's pray that he's in the middle. And I'm gonna. I bet.
Congratulations.
That was a bet, bro. That was a bet on my life. Okay.
How do I play this game?
You talking about this one? That I'm currently
No,
playing?
not this game. I'm playing Steve. I forgot how to play it.
You forgot how to play a game called Steve.
I am Steve.
Oh,
Steve.
Dumbass.
sorry. Shut up, monkey. Okay.
Stupid.
Bro.
Actually, how
Hey,
am I supposed to do this? Okay.
I don't know.
Chicka
I've never played that game.
Chicka boom. My light's almost out. I need a new battery.
I'm gonna knock your lights out.
I need a new battery. I need a new battery.
I'm gonna need a new battery.
What? Bro, how do I charge the freaking flashlight? I'm so confused.
Battery.
I can't. I literally am finding the batteries. I don't know what you're talking about.
Then go find some.
I burned myself.
Okay, you know
Lame.
what? We're just gonna pray. You know, pray to-
Emo. We're gonna pray.
Yeah, I'm gonna find out.
Never
if
mind,
it's
guys.
out
This
or
video
not.
is actually sponsored by the church.
Whereas we are.
Oh my
We're
God.
sponsored by Zeus. We're
What the
sponsored by
fuck is
Zeus.
that?
It's
That's-
Foxy, and I have to look him in the eyes, or he'll kill me. Oh, okay. He's not going yet. Freddy, get
Eye
away from me.
contact moment.
Freddy, Freddy, Ready?
So when you look a fox in the eyes, they explode. Got it.
Yeah,
New survival tip for you.
no, Fox is shy. Fox is just shy.
Can you just like
He's just a
charge,
shy.
please?
Little emo.
It's not
He's just a shy little
charging.
boy.
It's not charging.
He just doesn't know.
It's not charging.
Yeah.
Oh my
She was
god.
supposed to be you, I guess.
I'm literally about to cry.
My life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Guys, I don't know what to do. My flashlight is out of power.
And then go to the battery store.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Why? I'm just helping.
Because you're not helping.
Yes,
Oh, wait,
I
I
am.
can
I just
charge
said
my-
I'm helping.
I'm so stupid. I can charge my flashlight. Bruh.
Are you
That's what we've
fucking
been telling
kidding
you
me?
to do.
No, you guys suck. Whatever.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, well, there's Freddy. Okay. Ready? Ready?
What if?
Ready? Ready? He sounds like that one meme where it's like, "Whoa."
That's okay.
Okay, now I gotta check to see, make sure Foxy's here when I kill me. Oh my god. Okay. Well, you know, yeah, you know, just destroy my camera, you freaking fiend. Okay.
That's like my
Is the
singing.
power about to go off?
What the
What
fuck?
is that?
The bomb. Earthquake.
Get up, get up, get up. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is
what?
that? It's coming from the freaking ceiling. What is that? 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 What did I do?
I think
Grab
blood
that,
has a
grab
leak.
Oh, it's Chica!
that. Oh my god.
Blood has a leak.
I'm dead. I'm literally so dead. Ain't no way. Get away!
I think
Just patch up your roof, gang.
Oh my god. I'm so dead.
I don't care. I'm trying to touch it.
I'm so dead.
batteries. Oh,
Okay.
they're dead.
Well, this is fun.
Don't.
I'm gonna take off my headphones because I know this is about to be loud.
I'm at the
I'm actually kind of mad now because, like, I was just getting into the groove of the game and then Chica just spawns out of nowhere. I'm kind of mad. I'm kind of mad.
I require.
Blood
those.
might just be kinda mad.
And also, I literally just do not look at the rabbit. Oh, thank you for that. That's
You
great.
mean Bonnie?
I guess so.
Why am I jump block?
I'll be looking over you. Can you tell me about Chica and Foxy, please? Why'd you just tell me about the rabbit?
It's just a rabbit.
You know what? I don't care.
The rabbit is the main character.
I don't get paid enough to care.
You don't get paid at all.
Bruh, how do you know that? I'm just gonna start looking
Because
for
you
fuses
don't
now
get
while
a
Freddy's
high
like
school,
chilling.
you
No,
don't get paid, period.
I get paid. I get paid the big bucks. I'm gonna hurt you. What the? Please tell me someone saw that. Should we take a
That sounds
gamble,
like fun.
guys? Oh, never
I
mind.
love gambling.
Let's go.
I mean, we
gambling.
literally gambled like yesterday, so.
Blech.
I love to gamble.
Let's go gambling!
Oh dang it. Oh dang it. Oh dang it. Oh dang it. Oh dang it.
Oh, shut up. I'm locked in.
Oh dang it. Oh dang it.
No, wait,
Oh
wait,
dang
wait.
it.
You know, wait, dude, you know the sequels from Nemo?
No.
The ones that go mine,
Oh, yeah.
mine,
The
mine,
chickens?
mine.
Those are not
Shut up.
chickens, Jack.
The
the seagulls from Nemo.
seagulls.
Nah, she said chicken.
No,
What
I'm
said
pretty
chicken?
sure they said seagulls.
No, it was chicken.
Okay. There's no chickens in Nemo, bro. What are you talking about?
Yes, there are. What are you talking about?
It's a fish movie. Why would there
You're
be
literally
chickens?
tripping, bro. And why is there a pig in Moana? It's about the ocean, stupid ass.
No, it's not. It's about
There
freaking
is, right?
Indian
Yes, it is.
girl or freaking Polynesian girl.
Indian. Crazy.
I'm totally gonna get canceled for that.
Indian is crazy. Wow, is it because she's brown?
No, it's.
Is that it? Is that it? No, I see how it is, buddy. I see.
I'm literally like the
scheme
same
you're
skin
going
color
for.
as her, and I'm not
Racist
Indian.
Piece of racist dirtbag.
I know you're
How
not
dare
talking.
you?
What do you say off the
canceled.
skull? Let me hear it. What are those words that you
Huh?
say that you should not be saying? That a racist
What are you
person
talking
would
about,
say.
bro? I don't say any racist
Oh yeah.
words.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I am not, in fact, a racist.
You're a highly non-accepting of
Nuh-uh.
people with a lightly
I'm just a high-functioning,
darkened skin
silly guy,
tone
alright?
and high melanin.
I love people with darkened skin tone.
No, you
What
don't.
are you talking about? Yes, I do. My mom has a darkened skin tone, boy.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Then I guess you don't love your mom.
I said I do.
Okay, you ready? You ready for this? He's on the opposite side, so blink. He's so aggressive. Oh my god.
Do not take that out of context.
Take what out of context? Me saying he's so aggressive. Oh my god.
What's going on? Kill this guy.
Kill this guy. Oh my god. You suck, Bonnie.
What the hell? And no, what?
Okay. Well,
This food is buzzing.
you're eating right now?
Me when I'm busting.
Bro, shut up. Oh my god. Can't have a normal, peaceful dinner.
Me when this food is busting.
Okay.
I said buzzing. I said buzzing.
I love to bust.
Shut up, bro. You're,
Buzzing.
you're scaring the... You're scaring me.
The what? The animatronics are scared of me busting? That's
Yes,
crazy.
they are.
My bust is so powerful.
Me when bro looks at me for too long. I just disintegrate.
Bro turns into ash.
Can this guy
Dude with
run?
the
Does he have a
sword
run
currently.
animation? Because you need to move faster, blood. You are not moving fast enough. Oh, okay, somebody's just banging on the freaking doors. Because that's what we do.
No, I'm kidding. I hope he shows up and eats fucking toenails.
What the frick
Right
is
off
wrong
your
with
toe.
you? What is wrong with you? Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, how wrong are you?
What is wrong with you on a scale of from 1 to 10?
And
A.
hey, that answers my
Eh.
question 100%.
Yeah.
Bro, you're messing that food up. This is not a mukbang video. What are you talking about? Oh great, Chica's back, guys.
Sniffer, what the fuck is this? Like some
Get away. Get away from me, get away from me. Please, please, please.
I don't think he likes staring contests.
Nah, bro, he would lose.
He would,
Get
he
out,
would
get out.
literally evaporate.
Go, go,
I am
go, go, go,
begging
go,
for
go,
them
go,
to make
go,
that
go,
game
go,
that I suggested.
go, go. Fix the main! Fix the main!
Someone. Did you just say fist the main?
Fix,
No.
fix.
Fix.
Bro's gonna get fisty with it. Okay.
I'm gonna hurt you. Like, really badly.
Please don't. That'll hurt.
Okay, get out. Get out! Who's about to pop up? It's Chica. Get out! Get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out, get out, get out.
Get
Why does your
out.
pulling animations take so long? Okay, stop busting all over the floor, bro. This girl girls on my nerves. Alright, come on out.
Literally descending from the ceiling.
Bro!
That's really sad.
What happened? That was 6, chat. 6! I'm cooked. I'm absolutely cooked. And my light's out. And my power's about to go out too. And I need to fix that.
Bro's saying mechanic of the house like she isn't the only person in the house.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like, no shit, you're the mechanic of the house. Who else would be?
You're the only person there.
The fucking rats, dog.
Honestly, yeah.
The little mice living in the walls. They're gonna fix shit better than you.
Do I not have a family? I have a woman. I have a woman posted up in my hallway. Like, I would hope that she was my wife and not just some random chick.
That's your ex-wife?
Okay, well, that's not healthy. Okay. Well, I'm cooked because I have no idea where the batteries are. One more. Crap. No, please. Please. No! I'm
Praying on your downfall right now.
Get that! Okay.
Speaking of praying.
Please. Can I fix it? I can't fix it. I hate this game.
Then don't play it.
I was so close.
Bro, so close.
You know, so close.
Okay, well, that's that for that. Bye, chat. I can't do this anymore. I'm gonna lose my mind. Anyways.
So close so far.
Thanks for watching. Bye.